In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make everyone wait in the lobby in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule a meeting and ensure that no one joins before you admit them. This is great for classes, confidential discussions, and any meeting where you want full control over who gets in and when. First, open Microsoft Teams, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and go to the calendar. Create a new meeting just like you normally would. Give it a clear title, pick the date and time, and add your attendees. You don't have to invite people yet to set the lobby preferences, but most folks do it during scheduling, and that's absolutely fine. After you've set up the basics of the meeting, look for meeting options. You'll see a setting called Who Can Bypass the Lobby. This is the key to making everyone wait. Open that drop down and select Only Me. With this setting, every participant, whether they're inside your organization or an external guest, will land in the lobby when they try to join. No one will enter the meeting room until you admit them. When Only Me is selected, you, as the organizer, have complete control. As people arrive, you'll see notifications that someone is waiting. You can admit participants one by one or admit all when you're ready to start. This is especially helpful if you want to finish prep, check audio and video, or coordinate with co-presenters without an audience. A few helpful notes while you're here. If you later assign co-organizers, they may share your permissions and could bypass the lobby depending on your organization's settings. Also, some Teams administrators enforce meeting policies that affect lobby behavior. So if your experience looks different, it may be controlled by your organization's rules. For recurring meetings, your lobby choice typically carries over, so you won't need to reconfigure it each time unless you want to change it. If you're inviting external guests, remind them to use the latest Teams app or a supported browser, as this can make joining smoother. And if you use meeting recordings or transcriptions, they won't start until people are admitted and the meeting actually begins, which is another reason to keep the lobby in place until you're ready. That's all you need to do. Schedule your meeting in the calendar, then set Who Can Bypass the Lobby to Only Me. Simple, effective, and secure. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, you're all set to run orderly, controlled meetings in Microsoft Teams.